the ATL is a city so fine, so much history to the name. Over time, 1847, the name will have changed. So let's take a stroll down memory lane. I bet you didn't know that it was terminus. In 1837, let's discuss. Railroad connection was a must. The end of the line was here with us. It changed to more than still. 6 years later, it was not the feel. Hotlanta just flow much better for real. When you say hi, you need to chill. Say the name, say the name. Where that is Atlanta, not them country Bama, silly other names. Say the name, say the name. The city like a phoenix, rise up, yeah, we need it. Even through the flames. Say the name, say the name. We give y'all Dr. King and Coca-Cola things. This we're trapping, got its veins. Say the name, say the name. We more than just a real town, yeah, we run the South now. We call us the A.
All right, I don't think that worked very well, but maybe it did.